Hi there, I hope you are doing great. Today I'm going to create a card that is all about inlaying die cuts. Everything in this card, a frame, a background, a focal image and a sentiment, are created by inlaying those die cuts. So let's get started and I'll show you exactly how it's done. I'm going to start with the background, and to create it I'll be using this die called Zig Zag Stripes. It's by Poppy Stamps, and I'll be using two contrasting colors of cardstock. This is the light marble and the black one. I've die cut a bunch of stripes using both colors of cardstock. Now I'm flipping them over and I'm going to work on the wrong side. I'm putting the two pieces together and I'm connecting them with some pieces of washi tape. You can place those stripes in any order that you like, they all match. I keep attaching the new stripes, alternating the colors until I have enough space to cover up the entire card front. So this is what the background looks like. And now I'm going to use the second largest die from Rectangle Basics die set. This one is by Memory Box. And I'm going to die cut the panel for my card. I'm also going to secure the focal image as well as the sentiment on a panel. And I'm going to die cut them all in one go. The dies are called Large River FAERIE and FAERIE Loose Script. Both are by Poppy Stamps. If you are interested in the supplies, you can find the list on my blog and in the description with the links to online stores. Next, I'm going to die cut the same images out of gold mirror cardstock, the FAERIE, the sentiment as well as the frame. For the frame, I have used the two largest dies from Rectangle Basics set. The largest die is exactly 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches, and this is the size of the card that I'm going to use. Here is my card base. This is a Licorice note card by Birch Press Design. Now I'm going to assemble my card, and I'm starting by attaching the frame. I'm applying some liquid glue at the wrong side of the frame, and I'm sticking it down right on top of my card base. It creates a perfect thin border all around the perimeter. And now I'm going to attach the rest of the elements. Next comes the background. Again, I'm using the liquid glue and I'm sticking it right inside of the frame. I have also die cut the two large wings out of gold mirror cardstock. Those wings are the part of the FAERIE set. Again, I'm applying the liquid glue at the wrong side and I'm sticking both wings onto a piece of vellum. Then I'm gonna go with my scissors all around the outline to cut out the wings. And that is the perfect way to create a vellum background for intricate dies. I'm using the double-sided tape to attach both wings to the card front. Then I'm going to stick the body of the FAERIE right on top of those wings. Then again I'm applying some liquid glue and I'm sticking the FAERIE right into the die cut outline in the background. Actually, the technique itself is really simple and a lot of fun. Then I'm going to attach the golden sentiment exactly the same way. Then I'm also adding back the missing piece of the background. As a finishing touch, I'm also going to stick down some clear sequins right on top of the card front. This mini stamp set is called FAERIE Greetings, and I'm going to use one of the phrases to stamp inside of the card. And that finishes my project for today. Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I'll be back really soon with another one, and I hope to see you again.